Hi YouTubers, JD here, and we have the SunX 1/4 inch socket set in metric. It's a very nice tool setup, very small. I would say about 2 by 4. The box, let's open it up. This is the inside. This is nice for the collector or the do-it-yourselfer for computer. It's got a adapter, very fine sockets. Okay, they snap on very well to the wrench here. If I get it out here, do this one-handed. There's the wrench, and it also has this option of going this way. Okay, in case you have to get into a spot that way, it turns. And you can see the size of it. So I wanted to show you this. It's a nice setup by SunX, and search the internet to find it. Thank you, and stop by again. And please rate and subscribe. Thank you for watching.